Hi! Today is Wednesday, October 24. 24? Aba? Yes. It's October 24 and my son didn't attend school. He's absent today. He woke up the same time, 7:30, and said, "Mommy, I can't go to school. I am feeling unwell." So, hindi naman siya a bit warm, pero masakit yung ulo niya. And then, when I check him sa room, sabi niya, yeah, he go back to sleep kanina again. And then said, yeah, he's really not feeling unwell. I already messaged yung mga teachers niya through email. And now, it's already 10 a.m. and I am preparing a breakfast for us, for Dave, and for Adi. Nagagawa lang ako ng Maggi noodles. Quick and easy. And then, mamaya lunch yung natirang longganisa na kinain namin kagabi. And say good morning, kids.
Morning!
Look, Adi's so happy because Kuya's here. Oh. When Adi's woke up, said, "Mommy, where's Daddy?" Ganun siya lagi pagigising. Where's Dave? Where's Bobby? But with Adi, we're correcting her all the time. Not just say Dave, but instead Dave, Kuya. So, yun. So, habang niluluto ko yung noodles, nilalabas ko muna yung laman ng mga fridge kasi lilinisin nga natin siya later. So, currently, yung itsura niya. At nagbibip-bip na siya kasi naka-open siya. So, pupunasan natin siya, lalabas, and then i-organize natin yung laba. Opo, ito nasasara na kita. So, yun. Lilinisin ko siya later. Uh-oh. Wait, did you pray? Did you pray, guys? Did you pray?
Thank you for this time. Thank you for
Adi?
the food, and please heal me, O Lord, in Jesus' name. Amen.
In Jesus' name. Adeline, you're not praying. Jesus, thank you for this day. Thank you for another day. Please heal Kuya, God. Make him feel well. And thank you for the food that I'm about to eat. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Wow!
Amen. No. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Adi? Thank you, Jesus. Amen. Amen. Good girl. Di ba remember before we eat no pray? Yes. Apo? 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 Yung food niya, yung noodles namin may egg. Kasi si Adi kasi may allergy sa egg. Pero, so, it's time to clean the fridge. Ayan na sila, oh. Adi's watching Ben and Holly. Yan siya, good girl. Eh, si Kuya, nagsasawa na sa mga pinanonood ni Adi, so I allowed him to use his netbook para habang binabantay niya si Adi. So, as of me, magsisimula na ako maglinis ng fridge, and before that, gagawa muna ako ng panglinis ng fridge. So, ito gagamitin ko. So, gagawa ako ng panglinis ng fridge. So, what I'm going to do is, meron akong spray bottle, and then nalagyan ko ng 1 cup of water. This is very safe, non-toxic. 1 cup of water. Tumulo lang siya. 1/8 cup of white vinegar. Para hindi masyado matapang. Yung iba nila, ginagawa nila 1/4. Eh, ako 1/8 lang para hindi masyadong may vinegar. Ayan. Ayan. Oops. Nasaan yung cover? And then, 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Yung dish soap ko, meron tong konting aloe, so which is mas okay. So, ayan, 1 teaspoon. And for the last but not the least, this is, I think, could be optional, pero I think much better na merong ganito. Essential. This is an orange drop or orange. You can use lemon or orange essential oil. Para hindi siya masyadong amoy vinegar. So, at least 10 to 15 drops. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Ginawa ko ng 18. Then after that, shake lang. So, meron na akong pang spray na fridge. And then, ito gagamitin ko. Pang punas. So, yeah. So, again, simulan ko na siyang tanggalin yung mga laman. And then, after nun, magsimula na ako magpunas-punas.
Cool. Now let's try to cut your...
Daddy will cut my hair.
Let's see how it works out.
Mga ganda lang
Yeah. It'll be fine. Takot ako. Just imagine me. Can't wait. I'm just kidding. I've got no hair to cut.
Hindi mo naman makakat yung dito kasi may dito na.
This is nice. That's nice. Okay, so about this much?
That's all.
Okay.
Balik natin.
Looks pretty good.
Okay. Nag-trim na ako kanina and nagbawas na ako ng ganito. So, in total, ganito yung nabawas sa hair ko.
It's actually, yeah, that's about
Kasi nag-trim na ako kanina, kaya nag-V yung hair ko. Pero parang feeling ko ang konti pa rin. So, essentially, ganito yung kadami. Ganyan yung natanggal sa buhok.
Pero mahaba pa. It's still long hair.
Hey, thanks! Good job. High five.
No problem.
Pwede na tayong patay ng salon.
Not really. Okay. Walis. Meron lang walis dito. Ako na lang.
Nandiyan, ay, hindi. Inano ko yung Roid Me.
Okay lang. I have to go old school. Old school.
Tara na't mag-color ng hair. Palit ako ng damit para yung lumang damit yung suot ko, if ever. So, I'm not sure magiging kalabasan nito knowing na meron akong green hair. Pero kung medyo parang black lang siya or... Bahala na. Bahala na si Batman. Nalagyan ko pa sila na. Meron ba yan? Ha? Sa ganda? Ano pa? Etong all.
Yeah, all of that. It was really, so easy to catch because it was,
Oh my gosh!
I don't know.
Nalaglag sa ano ko, sleeper ko.
And carpet, the carpet.
Pasanan. Ano pa, Pots?
I don't know,
Nalagyan ko na.
I don't know. I can't see anything.
No, I'm going to off. Wait lang, No, wait. Again.
Wait, stop. Where's my ear? In there. Just grab it.
Saan?
All of this.
To?
Yeah.
Marami pa dyan?
Yes.
Ha?
Yeah. Wait. Is that?
To?
Yeah. Is that thing? Just check. Because it was shining in the light. The brown, nakikita ko.
There's a bit. For a moment, Adi.
Oh, wait.
No, ganyan.
This brown.
Not brown, but the gold. Yung color gold.
Gold.
Mm-mm.
Something gold.
Lana?
Remember? All I can see is brown and purplish black.
What do you think yung parang brown pa?
Huh?
Yung parang brown.
What do you mean?
Ito parang may nakikita ko dito.
Ito.
Yan, ako na. Ito nga, no? Saan pa? Adeline, what are you doing?
Namatay?
Hindi, nagpe-play.
Wait. I got here.
Ade!
of them.
Oh my God. Sayang mo. Sayang mo.
Like that.
Wait lang ah. Pagkatapos ko na maglagay, saka mo ilagay iba.
Because this one right here up here. So brown.
Oh, look. Nalagyan ko ba?
Huh? Yeah.
Saan
And
ba?
up here. And
Saan?
then up here.
Nalagyan ko na.
Yeah, and up here. Meron ng brown.
Gosh.
Meron ko.
Saan?
Up here.
Lagyan mo lang ikaw.
Yeah.
Ito.
Yeah. And here. Go out and out.
No more.
No more.
Saan pa?
And I can't really see anymore. I think it's fun.
Nana.
Wala na.
Are you sure ah? Ito
Yeah.
na ko to. Ito touch up mamaya ng daddy mo pag meron pang konti. I need to clean mo to. Nana.
Wala na.
Are you sure?
Wala na.
It's almost black na?
Yes. Black, milk, and purple.
Yeah, that's what should happen.
Yeah.
Okay.
From afar, it looks like black, but when you go close, it's
Maglinis na ako.
black.
Look at the mess.
Black.
Look at my mess.
What are you doing? Ah!